Alrighty. Well, it's been about half an hour since I started her. I had to take the top off. I've got to seal up all my little holes and cracks and everything. I wouldn't get enough draw, so my fire wasn't burning right. Still cooking. Been trying to throw some pinon in there with it and get it nice and hot, but that's it's about bath water temperature. 5 gallons. I'd say maybe probably 80 degrees in 30 minutes. About 45 degrees outside. Coming along. Definitely need to insulate that in there somehow. But I'm thinking with all this space, when that lid on there, all the radiant heat kept inside will help warm it up a little faster. Gotta love Craigslist. Got that barrel on there for free. About $100 into this project now, between some vent pipe and copper. 50 feet of 3/8 OD copper is $55 at Home Depot. And then, energy drink and what have you.